Hi guys. Anybody know what this is? I got a clue. It belongs on that. It's the drive belt. Everybody told me it was good for about 80,000 miles.
Hi. Welcome to Dave's Corner of the World. Have a great day.
Let's take a look at the speedometer. Alright. Belts are supposed to be good for about 80,000 miles. Well, I hope you can see that. There's 76,938. I'm not sure if you can read that or not, but that's what it is. 76,900. So that's awful close to 80,000 miles. Alright, well, we got some stuff to take off. Got to take off this whole exhaust system, because this cover right here has got to come off. Looks like I'm going to have to take off the foot peg, the brake, master cylinder, brake pedal, master cylinder. I think I'm going to have to take off the front muffler, not the front head, header, if you will. So I'm going to take off this whole assembly. Yes, my motorcycle is terrible. I worked all last winter and it was cold and I never washed it. And it fell over the other day. There's a video up in the corner, I'll show you that. And the wind blew it over, believe it or not. So, anyway, I'm going to start taking this apart. I might move it so I'm not working in this grass right here. I think I'll move it. Well, the first thing we have to do is take off this cover. It's held on with worm clamps. Most people call them radiator clamps, but in fact they're worm clamps. Alright, that guy is off. Get rid of him. Next thing, I'll take off this muffler. And it's a two-parter. I got a nut and a bolt. It's an Allen wrench, pretty good size Allen wrench. For the bolt head. And a 1/2-inch nut on the back. Make sure you get all the pieces in the right direction. What I always do is I always put the nuts back together with the bolt and all the pieces in there. That way I don't lose any. Alright, that one's loose. Now I got to loosen the clamp here. That should just be a 9/16 socket. I hope. Yep. Now it's loose, it should just come right off of there. You know what? I don't need to take that off. I'll take it loose up here. Alright, that was a waste of energy. I don't have to take that one loose. Now, what do I have to have up here? Probably 1/2 inch and a long socket along the extension. We'll see if that's what I need. Yep. Okay. Oh boy. Ouch. I wonder if I can hold that up like that. I don't even need to take it off. I can get to this. I just got to figure out how to hold that up. I'll be right back with some rope or something. I'm back. See if I can get this thing twisted around up here. Should be able to tie this up to the sissy bar. Maybe, maybe not. We're going to try. All right, that's up above there. Now, let's take off. Now, I'm going to have to take off the foot peg, master cylinder. I know I'm going to take off that screw there. I'll go ahead and take that one out first. I had to replace this cover here a couple of years ago. It got broke, so that shouldn't be too hard. All the screws on it should not be too hard to take off. When you lay out these screws, try to lay them out how they need to be on the part, because they're all different lengths. Take off the master cylinder next. Of course, the brake pedal is connected to the master cylinder, so I'll have to figure out how that comes apart. Those two screws go in that nice cover there, so I'm going to set that aside. All that might just slide right off of there when I get into this. Then of course all I have to do is take off the back wheel. All right, what do I need? I need a 9/16 socket and a 9/16 open end. there's a little piece in there that I can't lose. Almost lost it. Again, put the bolt and the nut back together. Okay, it looks like I'm going to take off this muffler. I'm going to take it loose here and loose there. That's going to be 9/16. And this one's going to be bigger. I don't know how big, but it's going to be bigger. It's going to be 3/4. Extension. Now these I can't put the nut and the washer back on. That seems to be pretty well stuck. I really don't want to take it off up there at the head, make it loose up there. I'm going to try to get it worked off of here. Maybe I can just twist it down. Punch. Yeah, that should be out of the way. Okay, one more screw to get out of here. Whoop, that's too big. Well, it didn't look like the brake pedal had to come off. All right. Now, all right, get through the belt. The only problem is, right here, I don't have any way of getting a motorcycle up in the air. Please subscribe. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post a new video.